So you actually have a box built with cubic space sealed for the mid-bass and tweeters.
Yeah, as you can see in there, there's like a separate section, and that's sealed for just the mid-bass, which is like 0.8 cubes, tuned to like 70.
But you still use the same baffle. I've never seen that before.
Correct. This baffle here is like triple. So.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Could you tell me your name real quick and what's in here, man?
My name's Trevor, and we have a single 4515 on an AK-8K, 2 DPW 1240 mid-bass, 2 N50 Neo horns. All those are off their individual settings.
So you actually have a box built with cubic space sealed for the mid-bass and tweeters.
Yeah, as you can see in there, there's like a separate section, and that's sealed for just the mid-bass, which is like 0.8 cubes, tuned to like 70.
But you still use the same baffle. I've never seen that before.
Correct. This baffle here is like triple, so
okay.
It's a pretty nice sub.
Still pretty impressive. That's different, man. So a single sub.
Single sub, musical, not for numbers, but.
Have you metered it just to know?
Yeah, 3 months ago when I changed a lot of things have changed, but it was at a 149 at like 30 hertz.
Okay. Cool. So you play low frequencies also?
Yeah, it's very appreciated.
Where's your port?
Port is on this side on the bottom, firing into this door.
Okay.
That's why.
All right. It's all good.
So we can go ahead.
Sorry for all the questions. I just
oh no, it's
like
good.
to know everything, man.
Of course. I would ask questions too if I could.
Nice.
So.
I'm gonna go look in the back. Yeah, in the truck.
Second verse for the hustlers, gangsters, bad bitches and your ugliest friends. I cannot preach, I gotta show them how I can get it in. First, take your sister, do your pimp, spend your money like money. Got to blame it on Jesus. Hashtag they ain't ready for me.
On everybody, this is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around we got of Trevor's system. Very unique, one-of-a-kind style subwoofer system I get to show you all a demo of today. He was showcasing at the Made of Steel show of 2021, Tampa, Florida area. Go ahead and give him a like if you haven't already. He did a really good job, as well as comment. Let him know what you like about his system. Of course, I like the very unique style, having the speaker tweeters on top of the box baffle with the subwoofer. This 15-inch Def Bounce 4-inch voice coil sub. Impressed to see the amount of power he was pushing on the sub during the demo. Having a nice back stump wall on the trunk. Always try to get all the equipment rundown from the amplifier specs, the subwoofers, speakers, tweeters, pretty much anything but the electrical I didn't find out in this video. I do know he has at least 90 amp hours of lithium on a high output alternator. Definitely for the amount of power he's running, I know he did. And he was running it in the 15 volt range, so that tells me he had a high output alternator. So also, if you notice the way he has his baffle with the speakers and subs, he was talking a little bit about it, but if you notice the way the angle of the box is underneath the tweeters and mid-range, it looks like actually those are common chambers for the speaker and tweeter together. So we're going to go into the demo now. If you haven't already, consider subscribing for daily videos coming your way, and enjoy.
Do I need to do anything on these bass knobs that are already set?
Hey, you don't. You just sit there and enjoy.
All right, sure.
You're gonna drop that window.
Yep.
Players, put your pinky rings up. Red the